Leister is proud to present you the new hot air hand tool Sonara S1. The Sonara S1 represents the latest developments in technology and ergonomics. It can be implemented in all areas. The compact and well-balanced construction allows you to work without suffering from fatigue. The DVD will help you to use the Sonara S1 and show you in which fields it can be used. The main fields of use are shrinking, inscribing, labeling, applying plastic film, molding and heating. Leister offers you the complete set in a handy case. It contains nozzles for shrinking, molding and much more. With this set, you can get straight to work with no hassle. Use the main switch to turn the Sonara S1 on. Thanks to its ease of operation, switching the machine on is made particularly simple. Press the menu button. You can use the plus-minus button to select from 2 profiles that can be saved according to your wishes, 2 preset shrinking profiles. The large display makes reading off the parameters particularly easy. You can change the temperature by pressing the menu button twice and then using the plus-minus button. You can then set the amount of air to your own requirements by pressing the menu button again. The cool-down mode is selected by pressing the snowflake button. This switches the heating element off. By using this function, you will increase the service life of your tool. Pressing the snowflake button twice selects the standby mode, which reduces the amount of air to the minimum in a short period of time. By pressing and holding the menu button, you can select the various languages with the plus-minus button, enabling you to view the instructions in your language of choice. By pressing the menu button again, you can select which unit of temperature you prefer to use. Pressing the snowflake button takes you back to the function program. Restart protection is built into the tool. This enables you to work at optimal safety. Should the power be unexpectedly cut off and the device be restarted, the heating element is not activated and only the fan is switched on. This avoids any danger of fire. Thanks to its all-purpose nature, several markets and applications are targeted for its use. Substation, control engineering and switchboard industries. Industries such as the railways, ship construction. Electronic goods manufacturing. Military uses, such as for shrinking various special cables. Cable manufacturers. Special usages for ensuring a secure connection with shrink solder sleeves. flooring industry. Applying films to cars. Loosening screws. Shrinking of contact rails. Sonara S1, the compact and all-purpose hand device.